Hello dear students, welcome to Devika's Commerce and Management Academy. So calculation of goodwill, how do we value the goodwill? So related to that we are seeing practical problems. First method was average profit method. Average profit, simple average, weighted average we have seen. Second method, super profit method. Now today third method we are entering, that is capitalization of super profit method. Why this capitalization of super profit method? Before going to that, let me tell you there are many subjects, many topics covered only by me in our channel. Please check out the playlist and don't forget to forward these videos, because with lot of energy, time and all these things I am spending just especially for you. So if the benefit goes to many students, I feel very happy. Please do forward. Now coming to the capitalization of super profit method. So this is specially for the future point of view. Future capitalization means future maintainable profits point of view, we can calculate this capitalization of super profit method. In short, you can say one thing. What is this capitalization of super profit method? Means evaluates the total value of the firm, through capitalization of future maintainable profits. Its main intention is that capitalization of the future maintainable profits at a normal rate of return. At least this much we wanted to gain, or we wanted to expect. So from that point of view we are preparing this capitalization of super profit method. Did you follow, are you thorough with super profit method? If you are thorough super profit method, capitalization of super profit method is quite easy. Why? Because only formula is changing. Formula is here, goodwill is equal to super profit by normal rate of return into 100. There goodwill into number of years purchased, sorry, super profit into number of years purchased. There, super profit method. Formula, did you remember? Super profit method, goodwill is equal to super profit into number of years purchased. Now here super profit divided by normal rate of return into 100. Simple, that is only the difference. Rest of all these processes same. Calculate average profit, adjusted average profit, capital employed, adjusted capital employed, then after that normal profit, super profit, then goodwill. Same procedure, nothing to worry. We'll work out a problem. Now here the problem is given to us like this. Can you see? If you can't see the problem, please try to watch these videos in computer so that you'll have a clarity and focus, concentration will be more. Now in this problem, Ashok sells his business to Rahim. The average profit is 60,000. Average profit is given. Need not to calculate. When average profit is given, if you search, you will not find first year profit, second year profit, no. Direct average profit is given. This is given to us. And after that, what is given? Director fee 2000 per annum, rent 2000 per annum, both are need not to pay in future. It means non-recurring expenses. Non-recurring. Always remember, when you find non-recurring expenses, these expenses to be added to the average profit. So this we are going to add to the average profit. I am explaining first problem, will work out later. Okay. Director fee and rent. Generally we used to deduct. They said that need not to pay in future, means it is non-recurring. Now future it is not going to occur. Non-recurring. So we are going to add this. Okay. Next one, value of the net tangible assets 1 lakh, 4 lakh. Value of net tangible assets, assets direct value is given. Generally we used to calculate in capital employed, total assets minus current liabilities. That value means capital employed is given to us. Need not to calculate this capital employed. This is also given. Normal rate of return 10%. Normal rate is given. And calculate goodwill according to the capitalization of super profit method. As we know, we will follow the same procedure, same method. What is given, keep it in mind. That we are not going to calculate. What is not given, we will find out. right? Average profit, where is average profit? It is given, but there are adjustments. What are the adjustments? Director fee and rent, both are non-recurring, that we have to add to the average profit, so that you will get adjusted average profit. This is the first step. We'll do the first step. Average profit is given. Step number 1, average profit, it is already given 60,000. What we do, we'll add this non-recurring expenses, add director fee, add, what is this? Rent. Yeah, rent. 2000 will add. So we are getting adjusted profit, adjusted average profit. If we add, it is 64,000. If you want, you can show it in a table also. In exam, it looks very neat and clean, neat and tidy, right? So you can show it like this also. Particulars, amount in rupees. First step, you got adjusted average profit. Next step is what? Capital employed. Capital employed is given already. Where it is given. So need not to go for the capital employed. This is the first step, and capital employed is given, so we will not touch this step. Next one, normal profit. Normal profit we have to calculate. What is the formula for normal capital? Average capital employed means nothing but the same one, where it is, yeah, this one. Okay. So 4 lakh capital employed, the same one. This is capital employed. So this into normal rate of return. Normal rate of return is 10%. Formulas I am not writing directly, I am doing because already I have written over there. So 10% of 4 lakh, it is 40,000. 40,000 is the normal profit you got. Then what is needed? Super profit. Third step, super profit. How do you get super profit? Adjusted average profit. Adjusted average profit is 64,000 minus normal profit minus 40,000. 64,000 minus 40,000, 24,000. Super profit, you got it. Next, what is needed? Goodwill. Fourth step, goodwill. Goodwill is equal to super profit by, super profit is 24,000 by normal rate of return, that is 10%. 10 into 100. Two lakh 40,000. So this is the goodwill. Am I clear? First you take a screenshot or note down, then I will give you recap once again. Nothing to worry, simple problem this is. Whether super profit or capitalization of super profit, same. Formula is changing, that's all. What is the formula? You have to remember this formula, super profit by normal rate of return into 100, that's all. Now as per this problem, what is given? According to that step by step we have gone. The first step is average profit. Average profit is already given. It is 60,000 is given, but there are two adjustments that we have done through a table. Average profit we know, non-recurring expenses will add, we have added, so that you got adjusted average profit. Once if you get adjusted average profit, capital employed we have to see. Capital employed generally fixed assets, current assets minus current liabilities. But here directly they have given net tangible assets. This is capital employed. And no need of any adjusted capital employed, not required. So capital employed we know. So this process we did not go. Next, normal profit we have to calculate. Now second step is normal profit. How do you get normal profit? Average capital employed means this one. 4 lakh into normal profit. Sorry, normal rate of return. Normal rate of return is 10%. You got the normal profit. Once if you get the normal profit, then super profit. Super profit means adjusted average profit minus normal profit. Adjusted average profit is 64,000. 64 minus normal profit. So you got 24,000. Once if you get super profit, then calculation of goodwill. Goodwill is equal to, as per the formula, super profit, that is 24,000 by normal rate 10% into 100. You got 2,40,000. Simple. Am I clear with this? Simple. These 4 steps. Remember, first step is this, second step, third step, 4 steps. I would like to reiterate once again, just by heart. Remember, if you know this, all the problems you can work out. Are you getting it? Yes. Now in the coming class we'll see some more problems related to the capitalization of super profit, so that you'll get more confidence. So wait for the next video. And by the way, I would advise you to follow daily, revise your subject, daily practice, and before exams just revise and also refer the old question papers. Don't forget to share this video. Stay connected. Good luck.